Hello everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to study the difference between in and exist operator in SQL. So basically in operator is a replacement of multiple OR conditions. So like we use select star from EMP where city equals to Delhi or city equals to Pune or city equals to Chennai. So when we write the query in this way, when we want to fetch multiple value in where clause, so and if you write query in this way, so it's create a lot of duplicacy and the code becomes so much lengthy. So for avoiding these type of things, we use in operator like this: select star from EMP table where city in Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. And in other way we can use like this, we can use inner query also: select star from EMP where city in select city from table. So this is my inner query and this is my outer query. So in this way my inner query will execute first, and whatever output will come, the outer query will compare each thing from the inner query and according to that will give me result. So for example here select state from table, for example here select city from table, I got 3 cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Pune. So now it will compare, it will check where city in Delhi, Mumbai and Pune, and according to that it will give me the output. So that is the how in operator works. And exist operator, so whenever we use correlated nested query, we always use exist or in exist operator. Basically exist or operator, it return true or false value from subquery like this: select star from student where exist select student ID from course where course dot student ID equals to student dot course ID. So actually in operator, like first inner query execute and then outer query execute, then outer query execute. But in exist, the outer query and inner query is correlated. So outer query, what will do, outer query each row will compare to the inner row. If it exists, if it is true, then according to that it give me result. For example, like I have two tables, student and course, and this is my outer query and this is my inner query. So my outer query will check each row in this inner query, is it exist or not. So for example student ID, it will check in this inner query, okay, student ID first, is it exist, yes it exists, it's true, so it's going to give me result. Here I select star, so it's going to give me complete row. And again it will check for second student ID second, is it exist in my inner query. So second, it's not exist, it's false, so it's not going to give me any result. Again it will check third, so yes it's exist in inner query, so it's going to give me complete this row. So this is the how exist operator work. This is the how exist operator work. Actually in exist operator, outer query, each row of the outer query will check in the inner query based on this condition, where course student ID equals to student dot student ID. And there are some things which need to keep in mind, like in and exist. In big query outer side and small query inner side. So in operator we have small query inner, we have small inner query and big outer query, but in exist we have big inner query and small outer query. And if inner query gives null, then outer query also return null. In operator, if my inner query gives null, return null, then outer query will also return null. But in exist, if my inner query gives null and it's true, then outer query will return all the data from the outer table. So this is the difference between in and exist operator. I hope it's clear to you, and thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.